Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blend any two images in Canva. So let's get started. First we will upload the images here. I will take this image. I will take the image of a girl and adjust it into our background. Like this. Now we will go to elements and search for gradient. You can write for white color gradient. We will search for, I will choose this one and put it here. We will make a copy of it to cover all this area. Now we will just group this gradient and make a copy of it and bring it to our first page, and we will just rotate it. We can put this gradient where we want to blend the other image. So now we will download this, and now we will download these images one by one. Now we will upload these images. We will set the girl image into back and the other image into the front of this page. And now we will decrease the transparency of this image, and we will again download this image. And again we will upload this image here and set it to our background. Now we will just select the image and go to edit, and we will adjust the colors of this image. There is the option of adjust. We will just decrease the brightness of this image and increase the contrast. We will make the adjustment to make it vibrant. How you can blend any two images perfectly in Canva. I hope you liked this tutorial. Subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.